Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see how to use mask in Figma. So first we go to files, then we go to plugins, and here I have taken Unsplash as the plugin. So we will be taking a photograph. So I've taken here an abstract a picture. So now I will take a few shapes. First we will take the rectangle. Then we can take a circle, and you can take any shapes you want. Even the illustrations or anything that is vector can work. Taking a star over here, and let's add one more shape after this. So now that you can see, all the four shapes are on top of this picture. So for masking, what we need to do is we need to bring the layer that we want to mask on the top. So here I've grouped the four shapes, and now I will bring the abstract picture on the top. Then I'm going to select the whole group, the shapes and the picture, and I'm going to click on the mask icon. So now that you can see, the image is only filled in the shapes. You can even move the shapes and you can see how the picture changes. So we use mask to show specific areas of objects while concealing the rest. Thank you for watching.